Hello everyone, welcome to English Quiz Zone. Can you choose the correct answer to the blanks in the given sentences? Okay, let's try. First one. There was a carnival, a blank, the children's park last night. What's the answer? 1, 2 or 3? The correct answer is number 3 in there was a carnival in the children's park last night. Next one. There, a blank, many people there. Tell me what the correct answer is. The correct answer is were. There were many people there. Let's move on to the next one. There, a blank, a lot of noise. The correct one is was. There was a lot of noise. Do you know why we used was here? Because the word noise is an uncountable noun and some uncountable nouns are used only in the singular. Clear? The fourth one. There were a lot of a blank, but my favorite was merry-go-round. The answer is events. There were a lot of events, but my favorite was merry-go-round. Number 5. There, a blank, a musical show, a book fair, and an educational program. Which one is the correct among were, was, and not? The correct one is was. There was a musical show, a book fair, and an educational program. Remember, when we are speaking informally and make a list of things, we often use the word was, not were. Number 6. There were many shops decorated, a blank, colorful bulbs. The answer is with. There were many shops decorated with colorful bulbs. Number 7. There, a blank, a lot of food in those shops. The answer is was. Why? Because the word food is an uncountable noun. There was a lot of food in those shops. Next one. I was hungry, a blank, seeing them. The answer is after. I was hungry after seeing them. Number 9. There was a joker, a blank, a colorful suit. The answer is in. There was a joker in a colorful suit. The last one. There was a green hat, a blank, his head. The answer is on. There was a green hat on his head. Please comment how many marks you got out of 10 and comment any questions you have regarding this video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks. I'll see you soon.